Hi students, how are you all? So in this session we are going to learn the definition of bond angle, and we are also going to find out the bond angles and different shapes of the molecules. First, what is the bond angle? See, for example, here I have one atom and it is formed a bond with another atom, let's say for example, and it is also formed a bond with another particular atom. You just imagine. See, for this atom there are two bonds, right? So the geometrical angle generated between these two bonds is known as bond angle. This bond angle, it is depends upon the structure of the molecule. For linear it is 180, for trigonal planar it is like 120 degrees, so on like that. So those things now we are going to discuss in this session. So the first geometry is a linear geometry. In this the bond angle is 180 degrees. So why it is 180 degrees? Because in a linear geometry the electron pair arrangements is linear. See, if you look at the beryllium chloride molecule, the beryllium atom is connected with two chlorine atoms in a linear structure. Hence, it's a linear molecule. And in this, the bond angle, if you look at the bond angle from this bond to this bond, that is 180 degrees. And the examples for this linear geometry is beryllium chloride, mercury chloride, and carbon dioxide. There are many examples are there. You can see in the next video. See, you can see this molecular model in this. This is the beryllium atom and chlorine atom, and this is chlorine atom. See, from this bond to this bond, the bond angle is 180 degrees. The next geometry is trigonal planar. The bond angle is 120 degrees, and the examples are boron trifluoride, BCl3, sulfur trioxide. So in this geometry, the electron pair arrangement is trigonal planar. For example, if you look at this BF3 molecule, the boron placed at central, and there are three fluorine atoms in a trigonal planar. So from here, from this bond to this bond, the bond angle is 120 degrees. In the same manner, you can also check from here and here, 120 degrees will be. Let us see some molecular model for this trigonal planar structure. This is what a molecular model for trigonal planar structure. See, in this BF3, that is a black color atom is a boron, and fluorine atom, fluorine atom. It is a planar molecule. See, and the bond angle from here to here, it is 120. Planar means all atoms should touch to the surface. See, next geometry is tetrahedral. In this the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes, and the examples are methane CH4, CCl4. So in this geometry, the electron pair arrangement is tetrahedral. That is, you can see here. If you take this example, CH4, carbon is the central atom, and there are four hydrogen atoms are placed over here like this, and another hydrogen atom is backside. These three hydrogen atoms project towards us, and other hydrogen is backward. So this is what tetrahedral structure. That molecular model structure also you can see. This is the tetrahedral molecule, CH4 molecule. This is the carbon and two hydrogen atoms. Sorry, four hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this hydrogen, this hydrogen is this one, and the top hydrogen is this one, and the backside hydrogen is this one. The next geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. In this the bond angle is 90 degrees and 120 degrees. Two bond angles are there in this geometry, and example for that molecule is PCl5. So in this the electron pair arrangement is something different. Like see, first the three bond pairs are arranged in a trigonal planar, and the other one is, see, let's for example these three are in a planar. Another electron pair is up of this plane and another one is below this plane. For example, if you look at this PCl5 molecule, in this the structure is, you can see the central atom is phosphorus and it is connected with three chlorine atoms in this plane, and other two chlorine atoms, one is placed above for this plane and another chlorine atom is below the plane. So this is what trigonal bipyramidal structure. In this, within the plane the bond angles are 120 degrees, just like a trigonal planar. Here also you can take from this phosphorus chlorine bond, that is 120 degrees. Similarly here also 120 degrees. But the chlorine atom above the plane and within the plane chlorine atom, this for these two bonds the bond angle is 90 degrees. This is different, that you can see in the molecular structure very clear. See, in this molecule the central blue one is a phosphorus atom and these three are chlorine atoms. These three are in the plane, these three are, and this chlorine atom and this chlorine atoms are above and below the plane. So here what I want to say is the bond angle between the plane, between the bonds present in the plane is a 120 degrees, whereas the bond from top of this chlorine bond to and the bond which is in the plane, this is a 90 degrees. It is right angle, just as I have shown here, it is 90 degrees. Similarly here to here also 90 degrees, but in the plane the bond angle is 120 degrees. So it is very important in the PCl5 molecule we have two types of bond angles. One is 90 degrees, other one is 120 degrees. For examination point of view it is very important. So moving on, the next geometry is octahedral geometry. In this the bond angle is 90 degrees, and example is the well-known example SF6, sulfur hexafluoride. So in this the electron pair arrangement is something like see, the four bonds are in the plane, the four bonds are in the plane, square planar like this, and another bond above the plane and another electron pair is below the plane. So in this way the octahedral structure exists. So let us take the example SF6. The central atom sulfur will be placed over here. The central atom is sulfur, it is present over here, and there are four fluorine atoms, and another fluorine atom is above this plane, and other fluorine is below this plane. So this is what octahedral structure that you can see in this molecular model. See the yellow color one is you just assume that sulfur atom, and these four atoms are fluorine atoms, you just assume. Then the fluorine upward direction, that is this one, and the dotted line fluorine is this one. So this is what octahedral structure. So in octahedral structure, how many atoms are there in the plane? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and the bond angle from here to here, you can see either of the way you can see, from here to here the bond angle is 90 degrees. That is, see, you can see here the bond angle is from here to the fluorine atom above the plane and this fluorine, see, that is 90 degrees only. And similarly you can take in the same plane also, it is 90 degrees. See, if you look at this direction, this is 90 degrees. Okay, that means the bond angle here to here is 90 degrees, here to here is 90 degrees. Within the plane everywhere you can take 90 degrees, and the bond above the plane and the bond within the plane also it is 90 degrees. Let us have a quick review for examination. So linear structure, what is the bond angle? 180 degrees. Examples are beryllium trichloride, mercury chloride. Next, trigonal planar, what is the bond angle? 120 degrees. Boron trifluoride, boron trichloride, sulfur trioxide. In tetrahedral structure, what is the bond angle? 109 degrees 28 minutes. And methane, carbon tetrachloride, silicon tetrachloride. Next geometry is trigonal bipyramidal. The bond angles are 90 degrees, 120 degrees. This is very important. In this, there are two kind of bond angles are there. Example, PCl5, Parsper's pentachloride. Next to octahedral, bond angle is 90 degrees. Example, SF6. There are, in addition to this example, there are many examples that we will cover in the coming videos. See, one thing I want to addition here is, in all these structures, there is no lone pairs, that you should remember. If lone pair is there, then the structure will be modified. Depend upon the number of lone pairs, the structure will be destroyed, and the examples also will change over here. Okay, so keep this point, and those things also will cover in the next video. If you like this video, please share with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this video.